Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 a day with these two Google hacks. So make sure that you watch every minute of this video, and if you're brand new, welcome to the channel. Make sure that you subscribe and that you tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. And if you're back to the channel, ready for some more content, let's go ahead and let's dig in. So, how do you make $100 a day using Google? Well, I'm going to show you exactly some results from my YouTube account, and I actually get paid from the YouTube partnership program, which is actually from Google, and I'm making roughly right around, $85 to $87 a day right now at this moment, just by simply uploading content, right? Uploading content that's trending, uploading content that people are searching for, and that's what we're really going to be talking about today. Now, you're not limited to just uploading videos. I know a lot of you guys that come to my YouTube channel, you'd rather, write articles, you'd rather, do blogs. You can find out what's really best for you and take this information and use it how you may, okay? So we're going to use a website called Google Trends. What's so cool about Google Trends is it will give us all the topics around the world separated by category of what's trending right now. In other words, it's telling us the new hot topics that people are going to Google and, typing in at this very moment. So what this does for us as a content creator is it allows us to sort of eliminate 90% of the competition because we're going for new hot trending topics that aren't saturated. And so it makes it very easy for us to rank at the top of Google's search engine, also rank at the top of YouTube. So what I would do is think about, okay, what's something that I would be willing to, really want to talk about or write about on a weekly or a daily basis. And it might be, new video games that are coming out. Maybe you're really into gaming. It might be, movies. Maybe you're a movie critic and you love watching movies and you can talk about new movie releases and Hollywood actors and actresses. Maybe politics, trending topics based around politics. Maybe trending topics based around sports. So what you would do is first decide on one of these categories, and you can also see all the categories here. If we go to click on top stories, and you can see business, entertainment, health, sci-tech, maybe the new technology that's out, whether it's a new iPhone or a new computer or a new emerging company out of Silicon Valley, maybe really into tech, and you can create a YouTube channel or a blog that's based all around tech. And right now there's thousands of people that are making incredible amounts of money just by creating quality content and putting it out there to the masses, and content that's trending right now. So all we need to do with Google Trends is we would first select the category. So for example, if we're somebody that's really into sports, the Players Championship, if you're into golf, is going on right now. And so you could be talking about the performance of the different golfers. You could be talking about the course itself, the weather conditions. And pretty much when we type in sports here, Google Trends is going to give us exactly, what's trending right now. And it gives us a little chart right here. So I was talking about golf. You can see this topic is trending right now. Tiger Woods, Phil Mickelson, the Players Championship, PGA Tour, Ricky Fowler, right? So I could click on this, and what I could do is I could see all these articles right here, okay? And what I can do is I can take this content and I could build off of this content here. So we know that this content is being searched for on the internet right now quite a bit according to Google Trends. So what we can do is we could create this exact content, rewrite it, and put it on our own blogs, right? And then pretty much fairly easily rank at the top of the search engine because there's not a lot of competition, because it's a brand new trending search, right? And then you can get paid from your advertisements on the right-hand side. This would be considered Google AdSense right here, which is part of the Google, AdSense program. So when somebody clicks on this, you get paid, Google gets paid. So if we know this article is getting a lot of searches, these banner ads here should get a lot of clicks as well. So that's how you'd be making money. That's how you'd be monetizing. And you could easily make $100 a day from just one trending article, writing about one topic that's really trending right now. So that's just in the area, and you could do this every single day, right? You can go on Google Trends and find out what else is trending in the area of sports if you're passionate about sports or anything else. So we can do that. And again, go select any of these categories. There's also health. So if you're somebody that's really into health, weight loss, I know the keto diet's trending. I know that there are certain supplements that are super popular right now. And you can just go through here and check out these articles and find out, this will give you some ideas on what you can talk about on your blog or what you can talk about in your YouTube videos. Okay, so that's the first way. I'm also going to talk about another way that you can make, some money with Google Trends. This isn't the second way, but this is kind of an extension of the first way, is you can go explore topics here. So you can basically do like keyword research, and I can just type in weight loss, and it will tell me which niches are emerging right now. So what you can also do, for example, we got keto diet as a related query here, right? So weight loss is just the general market that we're going after. But then right here, it'll give us related queries. In other words, it'll give us related topics and related niches that are super, super hot right now. So the keto diet is very, very hot, and it's been trending for probably about the last 6 months to a year. Still an emerging niche, still fairly new. So what you can do is you can go into this keto niche and treat it as a niche, not just as a topic, right? A topic would be like, Donald Trump discovers aliens from outer space, right? I don't know what made me think of that, but that's just an idea for a topic. A market would be, like keto diet. It would be like intermittent fasting. And you can still see that the keto diet is rising as far as the niche, and its popularity. Okay, and you can see where it's most popular in the states. Number 1, Oklahoma. 2 is Utah. 3, Wyoming. And then you can find related queries to keto diet and drill even deeper into this one topic. So you've got, how does the keto diet work? Keto reset diet. And so these are separate topics that are hot right now within the niche of keto that we can be, creating content around on our YouTube channel and, on our blog. And then again, we can monetize through advertisements. We can monetize on the back end with our own products or other affiliate products, right? So that is the first way to make money with Google. The second way is Google Alerts. It's very much the same as Google Trends. Instead of having to do the legwork and the research yourself, Google Alerts will go out there and provide up-to-date, trending topics that are happening right now without you having to do, the research. So what you can do is you can create an alert that will be sent to your email inbox of new updated information in a specific niche. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to google.com/alerts, and I can pick my market, okay, that I decided I want to really, create content around. So for example, let's say that it was, you even have like TV, The Walking Dead. You can have a channel that's just all about The Walking Dead and what happened last episode, right? Disease, lung cancer, entertainment, science, sports. So I would select sports right here. So I'm going to receive alerts in my email inbox on different new, trending topics based around sports. So what I would do is I can, add that, and then I can edit it right here. And I want them to send me alert probably, depending on how often you want to create content, we'll say like once a week, right? And then, how many show me best results, region, we can select the United States, which is where I'm from, of course, delivered to this email here, and I would select update alert. And now guess what? I'm going to receive trending topics right into my email inbox. So that's really how you would, make money on the front end, just by creating content and then having advertisers come to you because you have so much value and so much traffic that you're generating from your content, you're going to have a lot of people wanting to come work with you. And as well, if you want to make money quickly, you can use Google AdSense program to display advertisements on your website and get paid from Google. And then like you can have affiliate products on the back end. This is my ClickBank account. And you can see this is just like back end commissions. This is all like cherry on top. You can see in the past few days, today's the 11th, they just got started. Past few days, I've done over $1,000 a day on the back end just by creating consistent, quality, up-to-date, trending content that people are searching for. So this will help you eliminate a lot of the competition out there on the internet. So if you're worried about saturation, don't worry, because if you implement this strategy, you can get results fast, very, very quickly, and have the potential to create, income like this. Of course, this is no guarantee, but if you take action and you're consistent with what I just showed you, then anything's possible. So with that said, if you got value from this video, like this video, subscribe below. And most importantly, if you want to learn how to build an online business from complete scratch with everything covered in detail that we didn't cover in this video, check out my top recommended system below in the description. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe again if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.